Okay, so if you use a Fire Stick or an Android TV box, you know this struggle.
Trying to type in a crazy long web address with your remote? Yeah, it's the worst. But what if there was a shortcut, a kind of speed dial for your favorite apps?
And that's where downloader codes come in. They're just short, simple number codes.
I mean, look at the difference. Instead of that whole mess, you just type this.
All right, so let's check out some of the most useful codes you can use right now.
First up is the Troy Point Toolbox. Think of it as an all-in-one solution for apps.
And boom, that's a code. Super simple, right? Just pop that in.
For all you movie and TV show lovers out there, Cinema HD is a classic go-to.
And you can grab it with this code. No more hunting through different app stores. Now for the sports fans, SportsFire hooks you up with live games and channels.
What's cool is its daily schedule, so you'll never miss the game you want to see.
And if you use IPTV services, you've probably heard of TVMate. It's a huge favorite.
It's packed with features, which is why it's so popular. This code gets you the installer.
Okay, this seems awesome, but we gotta ask, is it legal? And more importantly, is it safe?
So, the codes themselves? Totally legal. They're just shortcuts. The apps are a different story.
But safety is the real issue here. Sideloading apps can open you up to malware.
So, what's the bottom line? The best way to protect yourself is with a trusted VPN.
Ready to give it a try? The actual process couldn't be easier. Let's do a quick walkthrough. Just open the downloader app, pop the code into the search box, and you're good to go.